Here we are printing in TPU after upgrading all the drivers, extruder and motion, to the 2130s. It's a little noisy, but that's just the part cooling fan. I can go ahead and turn that off if Octoprint wants to cooperate. There we go. So that is the noise level without the part cooling fan running. Now obviously part cooling fan is pretty important, and it's by far the noisiest component of the entire printer. Maybe there is a way to reduce that by using a like a Noctua fan and a decooler or a pet swang, some sort of mod like that. But for now, I'm pretty satisfied with this. One thing I might do is I did not switch out these heat break fans that are actually on heat sinks on the stepper drivers for the extruders. I've got some Noctua fans that I might switch out with those, but I think that they're actually quiet enough running at 12 volts that I might just leave them. Anyway, that's it for me. Let me know if you want to know more about any of the modifications I did here, and hopefully I can help. Thanks.